In this review, here's our list of the top 10 most waterproof golf shoes. These shoes will keep your feet dry in the harshest conditions. This is an interesting list because some of the shoes, such as the Adidas Climaproof BOA, Skechers Go Golf Torque Brogan, Nike Lunar Vaporstorm and Nike Air Zoom Infinity Tour Shield are created solely for harsh, cold conditions, whereas the others are more for year-round play. None of these shoes are the best for hot, dry summer rounds, but you'll never have to worry about wet socks in the depths of winter. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Review Finley present top 6 best waterproof shoes for golf. Let's get started. Number 1. FootJoy Pro SL. In a nutshell, the FootJoy Pro SLs are some of the nicest feeling golf shoes you'll ever put on your feet, so if you play a lot of golf, then look no further. The fine-tuned foam has supple cushioning that molds the shape of your foot, providing even more comfort over time. The outsole has perimeter weighting, which adds exceptional stability and balance throughout your swing, even in torrential rain conditions. The ChromoSkin leather is super light in terms of weight and durable, adding to the overall comfort and robustness of this shoe. Number 2. Adidas Tour 360 Boost. We have been Adidas golf shoe fans for many years now. The Tour 360 Boost is undoubtedly one of their most comfortable and sporty shoe offering, yet they still have a classy look about them. The fit foam and 360 wrap mold south well to your feet, making it feel as though you are donning your most comfortable pair of sneakers. Although the Tour 360 Boosts are slightly heavier than other shoes in our list, we think they offer the best value for money in terms of waterproof shoes. Number 3. Under Armour Spieth 2. Under Armour have provided a world-class golf shoe with the help of superstar Jordan Spieth, and named the shoe after him too. Undoubtedly, it is a busy golf shoe and perhaps not to everyone's style, but the Under Armour Spieth 2 have delivered phenomenal comfort and support. When looking at the sole, you'll see a slightly alternative cleat layout with a number of cleats as far to the outskirts as possible, especially towards the front of the shoe. This has been built to rotate with your swing and subsequently aid your performance even from the trickiest lies or wettest conditions. The alignment lines on the inside of the upper are also an interesting feature. Although there are no guarantees that they work, it's still a nice touch. Number 4. FootJoy DNA. FootJoy has been in the game longer than anyone else, and all golfers will know just how good they are. The D.N.A is a classy, but conventional-looking shoe with a modern twist that a number of the world's best players are wearing, such as Adam Scott. The ChromoSkin trademark leather, developed by Pittards Registered of England, is beautifully soft, but most importantly durable and lightweight, not to mention its fantastic full waterproof quality. Traction is superb, primarily due to the Tornado cleats by Soft Spikes, and the low-profile sole aid in top-notch performance. Number 5. Nike Lunar Control Vapor 2. Okay, we'll be honest, looks-wise these aren't our favorite, but that's not the discussion here. Nike have traded the traditional spikes for a new system called Articulated Integration Traction. Basically, no need to replace spikes anymore, the sole has plenty of traction and grip. The Lunar Vapor are hugely flexible, but without sacrificing comfort, and another point to mention is how lightweight they are. If you prefer more of a sporty look to a golf shoe and general style, then these are for you. Number 6. Skechers Go Golf Pro 2. At first glance, you don't associate Skechers with golf, but they are starting to solidify their name in the golf shoe niche. Brand ambassador Matt Kuchar has been wearing them for a while now and swears by them. A classic design that offers Skechers H2 Go Shield waterproof protection. The dynamic traction plate also offers wonderful grip for such a thin-soled shoe. Again, like the FootJoy Pro/SL, the Skechers Go Golf Pro 2 offer good comfort if you play a lot of golf. You'll feel as though you're wearing actual sneakers whilst out on the golf course, smelling the roses, walking the fairways. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.